how to install Windows 11 on unsupported hardware computer. So I show you this one. So if this is error is coming, then first of all you need to become on this URL. That's URL in the description. Then scroll down. Here you need to be download Windows 11 disk image iOS 4x64 devices. Here we need to be choose the Windows 11 multi edition iOS, and then we need to be click on this before you begin download on iOS, so you can be read down it. But don't worry, I show you step by steps. Just click on download button and it's validating our request. So we just be wait for a few seconds. Now here we have the second option, choosing the product language. So I am choosing the English United States, but you can choose according to your location. And then I click on confirm button, again validation start, and now we are on this 64-bit download button. So click on this one and our downloading of the software is start. Now downloading is complete. Now we need to be locate this iOS file. It is mostly in the download folder. Now here we need to be right click on this file and then choose a mount option, and here open it. Now that is mounted, and you need to be note down the driver location. In my case it is E, and now here I search the CMD command prompt, and on the right side you need to be run as administrator. It's very important. Note down this E driver where this is mounted. Now here we need to be write down E semicolon and then enter. Now we are in the E folder and we need to be write down the setup, then .exe, then give the space / and then P capital ROUDUSD product, and then space S capital ERVER server, and then again / and then we write down the C capital OMPAT, and then space I capital GNORE with W capital ARNING, and then again we give the space / and then we write down M capital IGRAT migrate, and then without space D capital RIVERS drivers, and then we write down space ALL. Then we enter it, and that is the server. And don't worry, don't panic, that's just bypassing the hardware requirement. And now Windows Server setup uncheck and then click on next. Okay, now here we need to be accept the license, and we scroll down till the end and then click on accept button. Now don't be change anything, click on next. So it take 20 to 30 minutes. Now again install button click, and now installing of Windows Server is running. So don't be panic, it's take the 1 to 2 hours according to your PC or laptop speed. Now it is installing. Don't be close it 1 or 2 3 times it is closed, and again like restart the computer and install some things. And now that everything is ready, so now we are in our window 11. So in the window 11, I just be showcased you through the run command. Okay, what is the which window 11 we have right now. So we have Microsoft Window version 24H2 in our computer right now. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video. Thanks for watching and having the upgrading.